All right, so I got it installed and everything's taken care of. The only thing I might do is probably shave down a part of the dash so it actually fits like the face forward. Otherwise, I think it's pretty good. I got it all set up. I personally put it to nighttime. Volume goes all the way up to 40. It is very loud compared to the radio I had before, which was stock. There's, I don't know, I guess it's pretty fancy. I like it a lot. I don't have any issues with it. Little attention to detail. These change color, which is pretty cute. Not that that's important, but I don't have any complaints at all. Get to swipe it and do settings. My phone, when it does connect to the radio, you can hear everything fairly good. Somebody told me that it sounds like I'm stepped away from the phone, which is fine as long as they can still hear me clear as day. Otherwise, yeah, I believe you do need a radio or an antenna for the radio. That does not currently work right now. I never use my radio. I just kind of link it up to Pandora all the time or Bluetooth it, whatever. But yeah, I think everything works fairly well. I don't have any complaints.
So far, it's working good. It's the second unit. First unit, after a day, stopped having volume or no sound, but now new one that they give me works good. No complaints at all. It's really responsive for the price. If don't breaks, I mean, it's an amazing deal.
And I get no functions, get defaults. So this is a normal deck. This is not an Android deck, and it's an Android deck I order. So because it's not connecting to Neuralink, not connecting. Right, so it's installed. It works and everything, but it's just not an Android deck, and it's an Android deck I order.